Our world is moving quickly toward high-bandwidth transport applications. Keeping up requires building and scaling high-capacity optical network infrastructures. At PacketLight, we develop and manufacture DWDM and OTN equipment, providing the full optical layer transport solution, including ROADM, optical amplifiers, transponders, muxponders, OTN layer, and network management. We support any network need in any industry: data center interconnect, carriers, cloud providers, government and defense, finance, education, utilities, broadcasters, and more. PacketLight devices reduce operating costs with their low power consumption and integrated amplifier, optical switch, and mux/demux in one U. Our devices transport a mix of data, storage, video, and voice services, supporting industry-standard protocols and rates. PacketLight's disaggregated approach enables you to quickly expand the capacity of your optical network, maximizing fiber utilization with minimal investment. We offer secure data transport with certified Layer 1 encryption, non-intrusive fiber diagnostics and monitoring with OTDR and OSA, and a network management system for easy configuration, management, and monitoring. With over 20 years in fiber optic communication, we leverage our experience to tailor solutions for our customers, from network planning to full deployment and support, for total peace of mind. PacketLight.